Welcome to the National Bowling Academy. My name is Dan Triske. I'm a USBC certified silver level coach. Along with me today is Doug O'Brien. Doug is also a USBC certified silver level coach, along with being a PBA 50 member, and Doug is also a certified ball driller. Today, Doug and I are going to talk about Eileen's bowling buddies and using them as a training tool. Today we have an Access Trainer. Doug, you want to explain what this Access Trainer actually does?
The Access Trainer is similar to the Field Trainer that we have a video on also. The purpose of the Access Trainer is to show you your axis rotation. And in a few minutes, Dan and Annalise are going to demonstrate how to use the Access Trainer to get feedback on axis rotation when you're delivering a bowling ball.
So on the axis rotation that we're looking for is going to be a 0 degree axis rotation?
0 degree to 90 degrees is what we're going to demonstrate. And then from there, everything in between.
Okay, so then what we're going to do now is that Doug's daughter, Annalise, who is a 2018 Junior Gold U15 Girls Champion and Team USA member, is going to be out on the approach, and we're going to demonstrate this product for you.
Okay, now Annalise and Dan are going to demonstrate the Access Trainer. This trainer is similar to the Field Trainer, but it's more for axis rotation purposes. What we're going to do is Annalise is going to keep her hand behind this device, and the device is elongated, so it kind of represents an axis point, or a axle, so to speak. Okay, Annalise? She's going to come straight behind it and through it, and you see it rotating with basically 0 degrees of axis, left to right. Now Annalise is going to position her hand on the side to produce approximately 90 degrees of axis rotation. This is one extreme to another. Okay, Annalise? And you see the trainer more pointed forward, similar to a football being thrown. But it represents the angles of rotation, the axis tilts. And then we have all the points in between that can be adjusted by hand positionings. What I like to see is the elbow turned in, which keeps the hand inside the ball at all times, so that when we push the ball away, we lock the arm, elbow in, we come back, we come through.
So if you're looking to get these and you want to use these tools to improve your game, along with other training tools that are available to you at eileen'sbowlingbuddies.com, go to eileen'sbowlingbuddies.com, use our promo code from the National Bowling Academy to get yourself a discount.